Hi guys, welcome to my video. This is my first video, so let me introduce myself. My name is Komang Ayutria Oktapiani. You can call me Ayu. So in this video, I want to tell you about how to make Oreo cake. Cake is many people's favorite dessert, but some people are lazy to make their own. But well, this recipe is very easy and only need 3 ingredients. For your information, this cake can last for 3 to 5 days, so you can make a lot. To shorten the time, let's start right now. Hi guys, the first you should prepare all ingredients such as 3 packs of Oreo, and then 2 eggs. The last is 3 milk sachet. Okay guys, the first thing to do is separate the Oreo with the cream. You can see like that. Look at that. The second, crush Oreo until smooth. You can see that. You can use any tools that you have at home, and then give a little bit warm water to become smooth better. And stir well. Put the egg into a container. And shake well. For your information guys, you can also use a mixer, but I only need to use my hands. And remember guys, shake until foamy. After that, mix Oreo and egg. And stir well. Then, pour the sachet of milk into the binder. And then stir well. After that, pour the batter into the mold. Hi guys, you can look at that. It's so beautiful. Heat the pan, fill with water. After that, put the molds into the pan. Then, we wait for 30 minutes. It's already 30 minutes. Wow. For your information, you can also use the oven. We wait the cake until cool, and then we separate the cake from the mold. Cake is ready to be served. For your information, you can use whatever topping that you want, but I add milk and raisins as the topping. Okay guys, that's all about my video. Thanks for watching and bye!